This video is going to describe how you can format, edit, and create formulas to more than one worksheet at a time. In order to do this, you group your worksheets together. But before you do that, you have to make sure that the data in each worksheet is set up in the same columns and rows. So in this example, I have, let's say this is a ski snowboard shop, and I have sales agents in the East region, the South region, the Midwest region, and the West region. And within each one of these worksheets, I have the sales rep's name in column A, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4 sales in columns B, C, D, and E. Now what I want to do is I want to put some labels and some totals in these worksheets. So starting with East region, I want to group the worksheets together. So you hold your control key down and you select the worksheets that you want to group together. So I selected East region, South, Midwest, and West. Now notice that on my title bar you have the word grouped. So anything that I now do in the East region and any cell will also be applied to the 3 other worksheets that we're working with. So the first thing I want to do is insert a row, and I'm going to call this the ski snow board shop. I'm going to merge and center it across columns A through F, and I'm going to apply the title style. I'm going to insert another new row, and in column A2 I'm going to put sales rep, but I'm going to select this and format it to normal first. Okay, in column B2 I'm going to put quarter 1, and I'll use my fill handle to copy it across to fill in the series quarter 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to highlight my column headings and now apply a heading 3 style with them centered. I'm going to come over to column or cell F2 and I'm going to put a total and apply the same formatting. And then I'm going to go ahead and sum up the totals by selecting the range, having the open column to the right, and click your auto sum button. I'll format the first row to a counting number style with 0 decimals, and I'll format all the other numbers to a comma style. Now to ungroup the worksheets, you just click on a different worksheet that is not included in the group. So I'm going to click on the summary worksheet, and now these worksheets are no longer grouped. Okay, so now I forgot that I want to put a total here, and on purpose I'm not going to group these worksheets by accident. So I'm going to put the word total down here, and I'm going to indent it a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and do my auto sum and apply a total style. Now, lo and behold, I now click on the South region, and you can see that when they were grouped, the formatting was present. But I forgot that they were grouped. I did not group them at this point. So what you can do is you can select the range, and you can use the fill command. I'm sorry. You have to select the group the worksheets again. Now select the range you want to fill across, and now you choose the word fill and say across worksheets. And if for this example, for this range, I want to fill not only the contents and the formatting, I want to fill everything. So I'm going to choose all. Now I also realized that I have too many decimals in when I did my comma formatting, so I'm going to decrease the decimals at the same time. I'm going to ungroup the worksheets. Another way to do that is to right click and choose ungroup the sheets. And now if you take a look here, my East region, I have the same formatting and functions and formulas in the South region, the Midwest region, and the West region.